Hello everyone, welcome to Winnie's Happy Home. This is a YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, organization, parenting and lifestyle in general. Welcome again for the continuing subscribers. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and karibu sana. Today, I'm teaching you a very quick recipe on pumpkin pancakes, what we call in Kenya malenge. We are cooking marenge pancakes. It's a simple recipe. For those who watched my oat banana pancake, it's still the same process. So if you have not watched, kindly go back and watch that recipe so that it will be easier for you to follow on this one. On the ingredients, we need this is the self-raising flour. We will need sugar. We will need cooking oil. We will need our major ingredient. These are boiled pumpkins, and I've let them to cool down. These are pumpkins, and then we will need water. I always say in this recipe, you can alternate water. You can replace water with milk, but I always try to make my recipe simpler. So we are going to use water for this recipe. But if you are at home and you need to modify it, you can use milk. And then lastly, this is optional. We are going to add cardamom. If you have cinnamon, you can still work with it, but this is optional. The main ingredient is sugar, flour, cooking oil, and marenge, that is pumpkin. So let's go to the process. It's extremely simple, and this recipe you just need your blender. This is actually one of the most used. Oh, sorry, I've forgotten one ingredient. One ingredient, you need eggs. You cannot cook pancakes without eggs. You cannot cook pancakes without egg. So we start with our recipe. We put our pumpkins, which are our major ingredients. There's something that is biting me there. And then we need 2 eggs. 2 eggs. We need like 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then we will need our flour. But let's first blend these ones first. Done. This is just like 1 cup of flour. This is 1 cup of flour. Then this is where we add water, just a little bit. So we first blend first. You have to now check if the consistency is what you want. Them light or a bit deep. Hey, mine, this is the perfect consistency that I want. It's not pink, it's not light, it's just amazing consistency. So here I will now add the cardamom, and then I'll also add cooking oil. The reason why we always add cooking oil is because we are not going to use cooking oil while we are cooking, because these are pancakes. These are pancakes. That's why we add oil while we are blending. Easy mekorogo, the one that you cook using cooking oil. These are pancakes. So okay, just like that, we are done mixing our ingredients. You see, so just take me like 1 or 2 minutes and we are done. And you can see the yellow color is popping. So what I'll do, I will allow this to rest for like 10 minutes, and then we go to the cooking as I clean up here. Let me cover it as I remove everything now here, back to where it's supposed to be. Now our butter has rested for like 5 minutes or so. Now we need to go directly to the cooking. You need a non-stick pan to cook. You can't use any other pan. So we are using non-stick pan. So that's my son who is knocking the door. He wants to come. So I want to heat it up. So what you do, you have to grease your pan with cooking oil, and then you have to remove the excess oil. You have to remove the excess oil. What you are doing, you are just may put it here. You might use it, and I also might change these two from these a lot of fire. It has a lot of fire to the other one. Let's wait for the pan to heat so well. The first pancake will always be disappointing, but not that it will not come out well, but it will not get that color that you want. So we can go ahead and do the first pancake. Once you put, you have to be fast. You turn it round. You have to turn it round. and then you allow it to cook. Now this is here you need a lot of patience. You have to wait for the bubbles to form on top of the pancake and also on the side to turn brown. Once they turn brown, then you can flip. So we are waiting, and I told you this fire is too much for our pancake. So we move this one to. You wait until the bubbles form. Once the bubbles form, and then on the side it turns golden brown, that's where now you flip. No, this way you need a lot of patience. Yes. You can see the perfect color. The perfect color is coming up so well. You're going to repeat the whole process in all the pancakes. You do a circle, and then you flip. Then you check, and the color it's popping out. The color is popping out. Popping out. Hey, and I'm telling you, this pancake will be yummy. Yummy. The kids are eating healthy. Healthy wheat. I want to show you at a close proximity how you do it. You just try to make a good round, and then you let it. Then you let it cook. can see what I'm saying. When you see it forming bubbles, and then on the round side it starts to turn golden brown, that it's a sign that it is well done from the other side. So you flip, so, and you be careful like that. You see, I almost tear it up. So you allow me to cook on that side. Just like that, you wait for it to cook until it turns golden brown. You can see these ones, the way they look yummy on this side. Check, they look very nice. Now here you have to check if you can see it's not well done yet, so you wait. You can also go extra with this recipe. You are not limited to pancake alone. If you want it to be more healthier, you can add the oat in it, and then it will be no more healthier. To have pumpkins, oat, and then you just add now like just a cup, or have a cup of self-raising flour. And And just like that, we are done with making our pumpkin pancakes. And you can see the pancakes are looking yummy, they are looking appetizing, they are looking healthy. So this is a breakfast that the kids will enjoy. I know some of you boil pancakes. That's my son. I know some of you boil pancakes and not the pumpkins, and the kids are like, oh, me, I don't want. You can twist them a bit by making pumpkins pancake. Can you see? See how the yellow is popping? Ebu see? They look so nice, they are healthy, and the kids are going to enjoy. So kindly try this recipe out. Try this recipe and then send me the photos. I want to see what you have made. Kindly, if you want me to post this kind of recipe, kindly subscribe and share to your friend, and I will appreciate it. Bye. See you in the next video.